So now we need to go back to the event sheet, and we need to use something called every tick. So you go to add event, system, every tick. Every tick means that it's gonna check something 60 times per second. So that's a lot. So every tick, so 60 times per second, I want you to check and change the text from score and update it with the score, the actual score. So instead of uncreated, since you know what, uncreated is fine, but it's only once and then we never use that line again. On every tick, we'll do it as soon as it's created as well, and then it's gonna keep doing it. So we can actually delete those two. But first, I'm gonna copy this one using what we used before, which is holding Control and then dragging it here and releasing it. And then we're gonna do same thing for this one. We're gonna set the best score as well. Every tick is gonna try to set the best score and set the score, and then those one we can delete. I'm just using the delete button on the keyboard right now. Right, so now it should set everything fine. So every time we destroy something, it should change the score. And every time we are destroyed, if the score is bigger than the best score, it should set the best score to whatever is our current score. It should set the score to 0, and then it should restart the game. Let's find out if it works. So right now it's 0 everywhere. If I die, well, nothing happens. But the game didn't restart, so that's interesting. Why is that? Oh, we'll see. That's because the game will only restart if my score is higher than the best score. So that's a mistake. So I need to have the restart layout here. That was it will restart the layout all the time. But if the score is higher than the best score, it will also do that. Let's try again. So if I die right now, it's gonna restart the layout. And if my score, which is 0, is higher than the best score, this is the case right now, and I die, you can see that the best score is now 100, and the score is 0. If I die right now, you can see that the best score doesn't change. But if I have a bigger best score, let's say 300, and then I die, now my best score is 300. And now we have a working game, and we can try to get the best score possible in this game, which is 1000. That's because there's 10 ships in the game, and when you destroy them, they don't respawn. So try to get 1000.